The Farm at Lane's End, Chapter 47. The Farm at Lane's End, the story of English country life. The Bartons, Farmer Ken, his wife Jean, and their son Dave. Vocabulary. To fix something is another way of saying to repair something. If something is out of one's depth, means it is too complicated or too difficult for you to fix or mend or understand. How time flies. Wie die Zeit vergeht. If something has had its day, means its end has come. And now to our story. The Farm at Lane's End, Chapter 47. Jean has had a laundry room shock. The washing machine is leaking, Ken. That's terrible, Jean. How long has it been leaking? I discovered it this morning when I went to put Dave's shirts in the machine. The laundry room floor was covered with water. This sounds very serious, Jean. We must call a plumber. The machine must be fixed as quickly as possible. Maybe Dave could repair the machine, Ken. I'll ask him if he could have a look at it. No way, Jean. Repairing a washing machine is way out of Dave's depth. Dave may be a wonderful artist, but he's certainly no plumber. Oh, and by the way, Jean, how old is the machine? We bought it when Dave was a little baby. That was more than 25 years ago. That's unbelievable, Jean. It seems like only yesterday that we bought it. How time flies. I think we should rather buy a new machine. Our old machine has surely had its day. We'll go to Butler's after lunch, and if we're lucky, he'll have a new washing machine in stock. Maybe, if we're lucky, they could deliver and install it this afternoon. Oh, Ken, and while we're at it, we could kill 2 birds with 1 stone. I need a new toaster as well. Butler's sells very good toasters. That's where we bought the last one. Oh, and Ken, what shall I do if we have to wait 1 or 2 weeks for the new machine? No problem, Jean. You'll have to take the laundry to the river, just like the good old days. Now be an angel and put on the kettle. Let's have a nice cup of tea. And now some questions. Where did Ken and Jean buy their old machine? When did they buy their old machine? What's wrong with the machine? Why can't Dave repair the washing machine? Was Dave still a baby when Ken and Jean bought the machine? How will Jean do the laundry if she has to wait for a new machine? How long does a washing machine normally last? What else does Jean need from Butler's? Please put "kill 2 birds with 1 stone" in a sentence. And our very last question, can you do 2 things at the same time? And that's all from this week's edition of The Farm at Lane's End. I'll be back with The Farm at Lane's End, Chapter 48, next week. Until then, bye-bye for now.